what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are just going to install the Willwood Big Brake Kit because we have to send it, bro. Cars and Coffee is this Sunday. I'm recording this video on a Friday. And tomorrow, Saturday, is Titan Motorsports Open House, which I kind of want to attend. So I am going to put on the brakes today along with the Willwood Street brake pads. And I'm waiting on my brake pads from Hawk Pads. A guy from Hawk, my man Jack from Hawk, reached out to me and was like, hey man, we seen the video. We want to, you know, work with you on this. And I was like, what? So yeah, so I'm just waiting to get shipping confirmation for the pads. But let's just install the Willwoods, man. We're going to install the Willwoods today so we can have, I don't know, better braking. Oh, maybe I should wait. No, I shouldn't wait. I should just send it, right? Yeah, Zosh, just send it. So we're gonna send it today. Right now, I'm finna head over to Walmart to pick up some stuff to wash the car. And speaking of my car, guess what I did to the Integra? You see that green thing right there? That is my cut bumper. I have the OEM bumper back on, well, the OEM uncut bumper back on. And then you guys just tell me, what do you think about it?
How's she looking like? How's she looking like, boys? Ooh.
I'm low-key scared to be driving the Integra right now because, well, if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know.
So long, yeah. Damn, another one pulled up? Oh, Lord. Oh, damn, I'm going to jail.
All right, let me explain what happened. I didn't get pulled over for speeding. However, he gave me a citation for having a loud muffler. I've never in my life knew Florida even did this. So, yeah. But the cop was cool, though. He let me off. He said he gonna watch the vlogs. I don't know. It was weird. He was a cool dude, though. That happened. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to be on my best behavior. Not speed. Well, not do a halfway pull. Just cruise, you know what I mean? But this car is just, bro, when you have a K-swap car, or you have a car that you modified and the shit's fast and you got boost and all that, you want to just, like, get on it, you know what I mean? But, like, you got to be smart. You got to be real smart about what you got to know your city, bro. You got to know your city. And I thought I knew mine until this damn cop was camping out back like a guy. Bro, I swear the cops in my city do nothing but just pull you over for tickets, bro. Like, they do nothing resourceful, dog. Like, just, god damn. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that. Hey, bro, they protect your little black ass. From what? From what? Enjoying my car? That's what they protect me from? Oh, well, just leave your dislike. Alright, so just now leaving AutoZone, got my one-man brake fleet, got some microfibers and a funnel because I need a funnel. So now, we head back home. I've got to fix the bumper a little bit because it is, like, burning on the muffler, so I got to fix that ASAP. And then we'll start the process of getting these calipers installed, playboy.
Wait, even with the ceiling gone.
Alright, we're back home. I got the car backed up all in the garage. And I think for this install video, I think I'm going to put it on the GoPro. I think I'm going to use the GoPro so you guys can see every angle and all that. Because I don't want to mess up this camera with brake fluid and all that stuff going on. So I think that's the best idea to do, bro. What do you guys think? Shout out to Hybrid Racing. Make sure if you need anything K-Swap related, use discount code ZOSH for 5% off. And shout out to my homeboy JB over at JBtuned. So I just realized that I cannot put the calipers on right now because the stuff that's coming in the Hawk package is my high temp brake fluid, like the good brake fluid, and it doesn't make sense for me to put the Willwoods and all that stuff on now, complete the video, and then have to re-bleed it with fresh new brake fluid. I'm just gonna wait for the pads. God dang it, I was gonna do that. So in continuation of this video, I don't know. I guess we'll just probably see what's going on tomorrow in Orlando. I'll probably take the Teg out to Orlando tomorrow for the event of Titan Motorsports Open House. So I gotta jack this thing back down, and yeah. Damn it. So it is the next day, and we got Mock from Honda Street Garage. Hi, Mark. Oh, wait, you're not Honda Street Garage no more?
Yes, I am.
You didn't change your name yet?
As of right now, there's Seeker.
I just sold Mark the...
Nobody knows that.
What?
Nobody knows that.
Knows what, Mark?
About to change.
Well,
Waiting for the button.
well, I mean, this video probably won't never get uploaded because I just do a crappy job. Well, Mark came by to pick up this rack to get his Integra on the road, playboy. This is the last piece, right? That's all you need? You got you got the harness yesterday?
No.
God damn it.
Supposed to get it Monday.
Okay, well, Monday.
Cause you know Fred messed me up.
Why?
No, cause I think he's making one for Fred too. I don't know.
Oh shit! So he
He said something about that.
Wow, Fred, he wasn't
I could
lying.
be wrong.
Mark, what the hell are we listening to?
You don't like
Man, hell nah! Chill up on the fisherman talk, yo. Yo, what fish? Lava. Me and Mark just left JB's place of business. I had to come. Kept straight. Should have kept straight.
Oh, he told me I got to go here, take a right, and we on the main road.
Oh, well, I guess that's faster. I usually keep straight, make a whatever. I had to come get this piece right here for the Integra. I didn't have to come get it. I just needed it. It's a power steering loop kit, baby. And then Mark got some stuff, right?
No, I brought it back. I got some stuff from you.
Oh yeah, well, you guys know. Whoa, you made it sound kind of fisherman talk, yeah. Yachty, and move up, party. That's what.
It's a power steering rack.
It's cops.
What?
Oh, okay.
That's his house.
He saw a black dude and was like, "No, shoot him!"
What are you doing 25?
What that mean? You 25 while driving while a black guy in passenger seat? That's
that's all right.
That's over the. That's
Don't worry, you got the white guy in the driver's seat. Well,
officer, he is my adopted child. He's a great kid.
Sir, I've got this. I've got this, sir.
I've got this.
How are you doing today, officer?
Oh, I'm doing swell. How are you, sir? I gotta pick up the R6, then we gotta shoot over to Ronlo's house to help him with his car, even though I already know the problem. His battery is just boo-doo cheeks. If you buy an Optima battery, I feel sorry for you, bro. Randy built. I haven't done that in a minute. Memories. So yeah, we're going to Randy's house. Oh. And yeah.
Get
the pocket, boy. What you gotta go fish one y'all see? Call me on the phone. Dial the number, baby girl.
There you go. Fuck
Get the booty on the dance floor. Let's go.
Well, we didn't film anything because, you know, us YouTubers that are low budget, we don't film anything. But, let me know if you guys see a problem. Hold on, Mike. Do you see the problem?
We found the bolts.
Yeah, your regular thought about it.
Yeah, your regular thought about it.
Yeah, that's not good, boy.
Set right here. What size do you need? Throttle body size.
Yeah, man. Our HR thought about it, bro.
So you just took it off.
Buying them used, it's always an issue. Luckily, I got lucky with mine, but
right here.
Luckily for Randy, I had got the RBC off Fred, and I had a stock, throttle body along with the adapter plate. Okay. And now we're gonna figure out if that was his issue the whole time. Yeah, shout out to my boy Mark from new channel. Mark.
No, it's Honda Street Garage. Okay, it'll always be Honda Street Garage.
You not gonna change it?
If we're working on cars, it's Honda Street Garage. Okay, buddy?
No, can't say that.
I can say it.
Can't say that.
That's what it is. It's a.
Can't say that.
Buy the shirt. Shirts are on sale now.
Where can I buy a shirt at, bro?
Teespring.com.
Teespring.com. Get your new merch with the jab front Integra on it, bro.
Yeah. You ain't gonna act like it ain't hot.
That shit hot fire, bro.
Hot fire, boy.
Lava.
Hey, goddamn. It's our off that team.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Take that dumb TPS sensor off.
Yeah, I know we don't want to do that, Mayo.
Me one gonna be, hey, playboy, my favorite boy. I love that hoodie right here, bro. He brought me some food. He know how I roll.
He bring you shit.
What are you doing, nigga? You gotta use the ratchet, bro. God. I don't have a adapter. Bro.
Damn.
Mother.
Blamed you. Like, oh no, my baby, I'm good, baby. You good, baby?
Yeah, man.
Trying to catch my baby, you know.
This nigga Mark too.
Mark's a white man, you know. He not used to regular civilization.
Look at the extension, he. Oh shit, where you get that thing, Black? What is that? Let me get that thing on the tight. Now start. Wait, no, plug it up. Like she got it down. Like she got a whip the gin. Plug her up.
They gonna have to
Ain't gonna have to nothing, Percy. Quit with the fish.
Don't we gotta
calculate the TPS?
No, just start it and see what she. I don't know. No, I'll calculate that shit later.
This sound like he's grounded.
I mean, it should be something
Yeah, it's not
different.
like I can drive it.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The 9:30 show is different than the 7:30 show. I'll see y'all next time. What? Listen, wait, shut up. What's that? Hey. No, don't fuck with him. I didn't hear it. Listen, you hear that? That's called fit. Look, hey.
Yeah, I can do that. I'm trying to doubt myself.
Hey, when you get yours running, you can help me with Daddy Call. Don't ever do that. Okay, there you go. No leaks, Playboy. What that means?
I cover that. It shuts off.
But don't ever put your goddamn hand on that.
I'm just saying.
Or
I would just
a phone.
all you would do is put your shit like that.
All
and it'll
good,
shut off
baby.
instantly.
Yeah, but if it's got enough, rip the skin off your hand, Playboy. Hey, what's up?
Like I've already thought about like.
Y'all believe in ghosts?
This damn car been away for years, bruh.
Yeah, it's a ghost for real, bro. I thought it was you when it pulled up.
I ain't boosted.
I ain't here.
I ain't boosted. Not yet, at least. God damn.
I got them marauder sticker I had behind.
All right, let me show you guys Fred's setup so far. Ooh, god damn. That boy Fred ice mode right now, bro. Quavo, where you at, cuzzo?
Ice.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. David killed it, bro. The guy that painted my car, that always painted Fred's car, bro. He, man, killed it. Killed it. God damn, that's beautiful, bro. God damn. God damn. So nice. And his front end is quick release now. Dash where is it? Dog, check out the workbench, dog. Check out the vice grip, how it's.
What you mean, boy? 2mm axle bolt.
Dog. Oh my god, bro. That's hilarious.
It worked, though.
I'm probably gonna time lapse. Look like the person at the gas station. They got $5 to clean your window.
Hey man, I watched a couple $5, man. Come on, man. Who the hell is you? You only known cause of videos with your nephew. I mean, yeah, you kinda funny, but why you look so bummy? Still live with mommy and still got no money? Man, dang. Why you even try? You barely get views. You wanna know why? Cause you dry, nigga. Yeah, you dry. Cause you dry, nigga. Yeah, you dry. I bet you cry. You oughta die. I heard your girl left you and your friends went by. I'm not surprised. You a lie. Them vids of yours are trash, man. That shit attract flies. I wonder why. Why you think you're funny? Only thing funny about you is your money. Oh, and by the way, you're really, really ugly. Ride, Paul, going for a ride. Fire. Going for a drive in by Berto's LS on Boost.
Abandoned tag.
like a it's like a fun boost. Like that's why I went on my car.
I mean, because it only made 272. Like
That's straight.
I didn't even make 300.
Yeah.
But it's quick because it's like light and shit.
Which is fully gutted.
But it's still got full of shit. Like, there's shit back
of shit in here.
It's been
Other than
sitting for a
that.
while, though.
See, cosmic warrior, surrounded by infinite light. Hey Siri, why is my life so depressing?
I'm not sure I understand.
Me neither, bro. Oh. This video was all over the place in the span of like 4, maybe 5 days. I think I started filming this video Thursday. Today is Sunday. But the show must come to an end. You know what I mean? I'm pretty sure this video had no really substance of morality of content. But you enjoyed it. That's all that matters. I'm still waiting to hear back from Hawk Performance with my track pads and my brake fluid. Yeah, that. So when that comes, then we'll be able to do the big brake install, and I need to buy TE37s, bro. Yesterday was the 7th, and I couldn't participate in the TE37 day, so I'm very sad about that. I have an appointment tomorrow at the dentist. Your boy might be closing the gap. Actually, I am going to be closing the gap. I know, bro. End of an era. End of an era. So I'll be watching the night shift, right? And I'm into season 4, and bro, the last 2 episodes of season 3, I've never been so mad in my entire life, dog. Just thought I'd share that with y'all. But that's gonna wrap it for this video. If you did the video, cop some merchandise on ZoshMFG.com. I wonder what my dad's doing.